everybody. So, I had a look outside earlier, and the mailman came by and gave me some presents. What did he give me? Well, let's take a look. Look at this. We got all kinds of parts. It's like Christmas in March. What do you say we take a look and see what we got here? Well, this one here, this one's coming from Mr. Miller, and I do believe that these are the gaskets for my Suzuki GR650. It's certainly looking like that. Now here's some new clutch plates, and a new counter sprocket. These are all NOS parts that this guy has. And are these just padding? We use these padding because there doesn't seem to be anything in these. And then here we have my clutch side and phaser side gasket that I'm going to need. And from Paul Miller Motorcycles. Great guy. Provided me with some much needed parts. We'll slide all this stuff back in its box. Set that one aside. And what we have here is from our old friends at Mike's XS. I have to let my better half out here. That's Blackie the Attack Cat. So here we have parts from Mike's XS. We always pack this stuff really good. This right here is a bottom mount headlight. And we got some new grips. We got a throttle tube. We got a speedo. Attack, and there's some real small LED blinkers in there as well. Those are actually from Dime City, but Dime City and Mike's XS are actually the same company. A lot of people don't know that, but they are. But that's okay, they can be the same company. I'm not seeing, oh, here's my invoice here. I was going to say I'm not seeing the invoice. Here's the invoice here. Let's see what we got. We got a Mike's and a Dime City. Yeah. Yeah, even though it all says that it's It all says that it's coming from Dime City, but it's actually Mike's XS. And we'll set that one aside. And here we have from John Scott. What's John got for us? I think this is the tail light that's going to go with my seat. Yep, that's what I thought it was. This is a I like it when people pack stuff good. What this is a tail light off of a Benelli Mojave. And you might be asking yourself, well, why do you have a tail light for a Mojave? Well, I have a tail light for a Mojave because the seat that's going on this bike is from a Mojave. And this is from Dave Crawford, also known as Motone. And this is one of his very cool LED El Dorado taillights. It's actually going to replace that old-fashioned Motone, that old-fashioned bulb taillight. Ooh, very cool decal. Gotta get decal. As you can see, it's a little LED, and that's gonna, of course, go with this. Put that aside. And this is really heavy. This is actually coming from All For Trade in California, and there's no sense in me opening it. It's heavy. I know what it is. It's a new chain. And then this is from my old friends at Nietzsche Cycle in Florida. And what this is a brand new set of carbs. Cut it in half. Here's a new driver handle. Lots of packets. And what that is a Mikuni VM34 carb kit. Because this bike is getting brand new carburetors. So, these are the deliveries for today. There's of course more coming because these aren't the only parts that I've purchased. But these are the ones that have arrived thus far. I expect many, many more to show up as the days come along. And we will keep you informed of all of that as the events unfold. See ya.
So, today's episode was brought to you by those innovative felines at Black Cat Production.